Hey everybody, it's Ash from Terra Oak Property Services, and today we're testing out the Tucker Rival 3-stage cart to do all the windows, the frames, and the sills. So let's get to it. And here's one of the things about the Tucker 3-stage cart is that it comes with a nylon brush, so it's, you know, it's not like the boar's hair brushes, which are a lot high quality, but it's a lot more budget friendly. And this cart is, yeah, it's awesome. We've cleaned friends' windows, neighbors' windows, our windows, customers' windows, and we've had no issues with it at all. We had a little mishap setting it up, but I think that was just a little user error, to be honest. Yeah, it's overall just like a really great machine. It is chemical free as well, so we don't have to worry about killing any plants or any chemical issues along with any of that. When we ordered this machine, we got 2 filters along with all the tools and stuff to maintain it. And we did get, it's about 50 feet of line that came with it, which is that red line you might see in the beginning of the video that's lying on the ground there. So yeah, overall, we really like this machine. So I will leave a link in the description of where we bought it from for you guys.